We provide answers in the form of innovative solutions and new business models for the world social and economic and environmental needs. Okay, so we solve issues in the areas of manufacturing, finance, mobility, healthcare, agriculture, urban development, just to name a few. All right. So this is basically what the GSIB business is about. In this co-creation model, it's basically working with partners and customers together. It's very much like a journey, a partnership journey, where we try to explore alignment in vision and goals, and to achieve a common set of values in terms of social, environmental, and economic.